Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TikTok to CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and first of all, I'm going to go to my TikTok app. Okay, make sure we have logged into our TikTok and this is my TikTok account for your information. And then I'm going to connect this account to CapCut. Okay, I'm going to open up my CapCut application here, and if we want to connect TikTok to CapCut, we need to go to the profile menu. Okay, you can click on this menu and you can tap to sign in here. Okay, tap on the option, and since we want to connect our TikTok to CapCut, of course we need to choose login to TikTok. Okay, and then our TikTok account will be automatically connected to CapCut because we have logged in. Okay, this is my account guys, and I'm going to view profile. Okay, when we tap on view profile, we will get our TikTok link here. The TikTok link will be added to your CapCut automatically, and let me try to click this link and it will bring us to our TikTok profile. Okay, and let me go back to the CapCut. Okay, and after we connect our TikTok to CapCut, when we create project or create a video, we'll be able to automatically share our creation to the TikTok. For example, when you use template from here or your TikTok video, it will automatically upload it to the TikTok. Actually, not automatically, but when you finish your template, when you finish your video with one of the template here, it will be shared to the TikTok and you can choose either you want to post it or not. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, I'm just going to pick a random video. Next, and it will be automatically linked to our TikTok like this. I'm going to click on export without watermark, and after the video has been exported, it will be shared to TikTok. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the TikTok will be automatically opened and we can choose either we want to upload it or not. Okay, and that's all the way to connect TikTok to CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.